Hi everyone, welcome to GeekNewZealand. Today we will unbox TomTom's new navigation GPS unit called Via 53, which is known for its intelligent navigation and real-time traffic. So let's get into it. Via 53 has lifetime maps for Australia, New Zealand and Southeast Asia. It supports 3 months of speed camera data, has lifetime TomTom traffic via smartphone. It has advanced features like hands-free calling, MyDrive Cloud App, updates via Wi-Fi, so computer is no longer needed. It can read out smartphone messages and is compatible with Siri and Google Now. Let's quickly see the official video of the TomTom Via 53 and then we'll install it in my car and explore the menus, etc. Final words. Many of us use smartphone maps like Google or Apple for basic navigation, but if you drive a lot, especially around New Zealand, Australia, and don't want to rely on your smartphone data, TomTom Via 53 is a perfect product for you. It makes driving easy with advanced features like live traffic, updating via Wi-Fi. Previously, updating a GPS unit via offline maps was really painful, but with Via 53, Wi-Fi setup makes life really easy. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and please keep sending me your review requests and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.